I am adding error and warning on a couple of lines with different IDs, error being 1000 and warning being 2000. To delete, you can use clear namespace. You specify the buffer number and the ID and the starting line and ending line. Putting -1 deletes until the end of the buffer. So this will delete all of the errors, but not the warning. When you change the ID to 2000, now it should delete the warning and not the error. You can also delete from specific lines. If you want to delete from line 1 and line 2, put 1 and you have to put 3 because the end line is not included. So it's like delete from line 1 up until line 3, but not including line 3. So what happens when you try to delete line 7 and 8 with the wrong ID? So you can see nothing happens when you put the correct ID. Then you can see that it removed the warning from line 7 and 8. If you want to delete all of the virtual text in the buffer, you can use -1 as the ID. Then it deletes all of the virtual text regardless of the IDs.